on again.
I've just got it.
Why are you so wet? It's soaking.
She's got a point, you know.
Cheers. I was watching that.
We lose. 2-0. Why not do something different in the evenings? Like a course? I've always wanted to learn to use the internet, but I haven't got a clue where to start. A LearnDirect centre. I am not going out in that. All right, then, well, let's do it from here.
Right, we're just typing our password. The wife's birthday. It's the 17th/11/66. Don't tell her. It's easy. And as it's online, well, you learn at your own pace.
At LearnDirect, we make learning more flexible.
The kids are fine. No, he's on the computer. Yeah, he did a course. He's on it all the time. He even does our finances on it.
To find out more about online learning with LearnDirect, visit our website, one of our centres, or call free on 08080 200 900.